Honor may be preparing one of its most ambitious foldable phones yet, and this time the company could be going after the flagship performance crown in a big way. According to tipster Wisdom Pikachu, Honor's upcoming wide foldable is currently being tested with Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro, reportedly built on an advanced 2nm process. And there's an especially interesting detail here. The tipster claims this is currently the only wide foldable being tested with this chipset. If that information turns out to be accurate, Honor could be positioning this device as its first horizontally folding smartphone powered by Qualcomm's newest flagship platform, potentially giving it a serious performance advantage over competing foldables. But the chipset is only part of the story. Earlier leaks suggest Honor's wide foldable could feature a 7.6-inch internal display paired with a 5.5-inch cover screen. That combination would give users a large tablet-like canvas when unfolded, while still keeping the phone relatively practical when closed. The design is also expected to bring something different. Honor is reportedly working on a new body manufacturing process with a horizontal camera island that could give the foldable a distinctive look compared with the more familiar vertical camera layouts we've seen on many flagship phones. And then there's the battery, which could be one of the biggest surprises. The phone is tipped to pack a massive 7,000 mAh battery. For a foldable, that would be an unusually large capacity and could address one of the biggest compromises of current foldable smartphones: battery life. Honor apparently isn't stopping there either. The camera system is rumored to feature a triple camera setup led by a massive 200-megapixel primary sensor combined with Honor's own imaging technology. So put everything together, a 7.6-inch inner display, a 5.5-inch outer screen, a 7,000 mAh battery, a 200-megapixel main camera, a redesigned horizontal camera island, and potentially Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro on a 2nm process. That is a pretty serious specification sheet for a foldable. Of course, these details are still based on leaks and testing information, but if Honor manages to bring most of these specifications together, its upcoming wide foldable could be much more than just another foldable phone. It could be one of Honor's biggest flagship statements yet. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.